Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I would like to show you this. This is a very small kit that I will sell. I'll list this in my Zibbet shop. So if you are interested, please check out to my shop and you can get this from the shop. Okay, so this is the Alice in the Alice in Wonderland kit in this kind of the tin. Inspired from the Pinterest, and I saw so many different projects that they use this this kind of the tiny tin to do the project. So you can alter this tiny tin, but this you can cover or do any texture or whatever you would like to. But actually this box is quite pretty and match with this theme too. Okay, so Phoebe will have this she had designed this kit, and check out to the photo the pictures that how she altered this. Okay, so for the kit, and you will have this one of this Alice applique, and this is a tea party kit. So we have the tiny cake, and also have the trinket, this one teapot. I have so many here, and you can do any texture or can to make your kit, or you can use all these tiny trinket to alter, because this kit also I provide one it's a mini book. Later I will show you. Okay, so you can use all these items to alter your mini book as well. So you can see you have this bunny and this clock watch, pocket watch, and in the teacup, and this is Alice, and they also have a 2 little tiny chair. So you can quite two. So you can do a tea party and a big bunny tea, and this one, another this one, and little tiny bunny head, and a teacup, and a little bottle. Alice will drink the poison. So include this one. So all this is a tiny trinket and embellishment in the box. So yes, and for the tiny book here, you have to do it by your screw it by your own, and I also provide this how to the direction, show you the way how you do this tiny book. Okay, so and this is the book cover, so you have to cut out and fold it, and all this is the Alice the storybook. You have to bend and glue it. It's very simple and easy to make, and all this is the pictures and the storybook and the pages. Okay, so you can make this one your little tiny Alice journal book. And for this one, I also cut this piece here. You can use this to alter your chain. Okay, the shape, you just have to trim the size, and also little print out image. So you have different images, so you can just cut out and alter your book or your tin. Okay, so this and this cat here, and also include all this, the butterfly and the leaf trim, and this one. Okay, it's a toy and some flower and the all this, and this is the fake glass, so you can algae of glass. Yeah, you can make alter your tin and your fabric, I mean your tiny boat. So yeah, this is the small kit that I will list in Zibbet. So I will pop the link below the description box, and please check it out. And thanks again for everyone, and bye bye.